All right, it says use the snacks vending machine poster on student reference book, page 269, to answer the question below. You should have it open to your hardcover, page 269, and see a vending machine. All right, when we're there, it says you have 80 cents in your pocket. So imagine that. Pull out of your pocket 80 cents. That's what you have total. Then it says estimate. Do you have enough money to buy 2 packs of the same snack? What snack? And write your answer. So, what 2 snacks could we get? Not 1 snack, right? I see the pretzels are 65 cents. But if I double 65 cents, that's going to be more than 80. So do you have enough money to buy 2 snacks that are the exact same price? You could actually buy a few snacks. I want you to write down 1 snack, and then I want you to add how much it would be. Okay, I'm looking at the crackers, and the crackers are 30 cents. Do you have enough money to buy 2 crackers? 30 cents plus 30 cents. Well, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So 2 crackers are 60 cents. Do you have enough to buy 2 crackers? Yes, because you have 80 cents, which is more. Could I buy 2 raisins? Could I buy 2 raisins? 45 cents is 1 raisin, but I need 2 raisins. So 45 more cents. Try out your snacks. 5 plus 5 is 10. Drop the 0. Carry my 10. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 raisins cost 90 cents. Would I have enough money to buy 2 raisins if I had 80 cents and 2 raisins is 90 cents? No, because 90 cents is bigger. Besides the crackers, find at least